Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's AM242 and AM272 series AIO PCs and modern MD272 series monitors. So friend, MSI announced the modern AM242 and modern AM272 series all-in-one PCs featuring the exclusive software MSI Cloud Center. They can bring you a private cloud and help backup of your files between the mobile device and modern AM242 and AM272 series. And friend, their eye care technology built in full HD webcam and ergonomic design with an IPS panel being a wide viewing angle and enhanced viewing experience. And friend, both models are designed with efficiency and productivity in mind. And friend, the exclusive cloud center allow user to back up and download photos, videos and any other files between the Android or iOS device and modern AM242 and AM272 series all in one PC. And friend, just one click and it will automatically back up all of your photos and videos to the specific storage you want within a private internet environment, which ensure a safer private and cloud environment. And friend, you can make these files accessible to your family or team members, or you can also make files as private as you want and you are the only one who can access them, and the decision is in your. And friend, the modern MD272 series bring an eye care and ergonomic environment for all users. It provide full HD and Wqhd resolution for a wider field of view and greater detail with the Lace Blue Light Pro and anti-flicker technology. This monitor protects your eyes while maintaining vibrant colors. And friend, with several user-friendly designs such as adjustable base stand, Type-C display and 65-watt power delivery, internal speakers and exclusive productivity intelligence app that supports KVM switch, proper display mode and convenient tools. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.